Good morning, everyone. This is English Week 5, Day 3, Tuesday, 5th of May. Today is another writing lesson. This is your to-do list for this session. Your learning objective is to write a final draft. Who remembers what the first draft was about? Let's see. These are the resources you're going to need for this session. Your writing journal, your notebook, laptop, pencil, rubber, scanner or mobile phone scanner. The first thing you need to do is to read the feedback sent back to your emails and make corrections and adjustments as advised. This is a reminder. Here is a fun way to remind yourselves with features of persuasive writing, which includes advertisements. Log into your Literacy Planet accounts and look for this, Understanding Basic Persuasive Texts 1. As you go through it, you're going to be reminded of points that should be included in your writing. Finally, before you start, refer back to the book pages 132 and 133 and make sure you also read the rubric to finalize what you need to write. You have 30 minutes to complete your writing. Click on the link below, set the timer to 30 minutes and start. This bomb will sure help you finish on time. This is the rubric. Please make sure you check it before you actually start writing. So, your assignment is just to write your final draft. You should be sending it before 7 p.m. either via Engage or your email. Thank you.